I belong to the Leo zodiac, so I'll start with the signs belongs to the fire element group. In the video I use 20 gauge, wire diameter 0.8 millimeters. Aries, 7 centimeters, about less than 3 inch. The parameters I give are for reference only. Size, length and number of wire used can be flexibly changed depending on the size of signs or the wire you have. With product size about 1.5 to 2.5 centimeters, less than 1 inch. Main wire, can use wire with diameter from 0.7 to 0.9 millimeters, 21 gauge, 19 gauge. About 15 to 30 centimeters, 6 to 12 inch, depending on the signs, including the circle. In the video I use, circle, 8 centimeters, about than 3 inch. I live in Asia, so I don't know much about the zodiac signs. However, I have received many requests for it, so I will make a series of videos about the 12 simple signs of the zodiac. In addition to the usage as with letters, you can refer to the video, link in the description. For this video series, I'm going to combine it with round cabochons. You can do the same for other stone shapes. In the video I use 28 gauge, wire diameter 0.3 millimeters, about 20 centimeters, 8 inch, per signs. Round cabochon diameter 1.8 centimeters. You should use wire with diameter of 0.3 millimeters, 28 gauge, for easy manipulation. This wire only works to fix the wire in the stone, so you can do it any way you want, so that the stone won't fall during use. In the video I use 20 gauge, wire diameter 0.8 millimeters, Leo, 8 centimeters, about than 3 inch. In the video I use 20 gauge, wire diameter 0.8 mm, Sagittarius, 10 cm, about 4 inch. You can do the same with earrings, keychains or decorations. Basic operations included in the basic tutorial, link in the description.